Welcome everybody, this is your Renard. This time I am going to talk about some of the options in edit mode in 2D animation in Blender. First, open a new 2D animation Blender file. It will mainly be in draw mode. In the left corner, we could see that it's in draw mode. Press this upside down arrow, then all the options will appear. There's object mode, edit mode, sculpt mode, draw mode, vertex mode and weight mode. I'm going to talk about edit mode. So go to edit mode or click edit mode. First, I'm going to talk about the select box option. Go to draw mode and draw a simple stroke. Then go to edit mode, and then with this option we could select it. Then we are going to talk about the move option. With the move option, we could move any strokes anywhere. When we press this red arrow, then we could only move the stroke left or right only. But when we click on this blue arrow that is pointing up, we could only go up or down. For example, when we go to draw mode and we have drawn two strokes and we are trying to move both of them, make a box and then we are able to move both of them at the same time. Then we are going to talk about rotate. With rotate, we could rotate any strokes. We could also select the stroke and rotate it. Then scale. With scale, we could make any stroke bigger or smaller. When you press this red line, we could make it longer, and when you press this line that is pointing up, we could make it even bigger or taller. Then the next option that I'm going to talk about is transform. Transform is all the options move, scale and rotate all combined together. With the option transform, we could move anything, rotate anything, any stroke, and we could scale any stroke too at the same time. Without going to different options, we could just use transform to use all three. Then I'm going to talk about this option called extrude. With this option, we could make any stroke look more 3D like. I don't personally use this option. Next, I'm going to talk about bend. With bend, we could bend anything. It doesn't work that much, right? But when we draw a simple stroke like this, it will work much better. But when we use it to a bunch of strokes. It might be a little hard to control. It will go off crazy. Next, I am going to talk about this option named shear. With this option, we could rotate anything, but it will also become longer too. Then I am going to talk about this option named annotate. You could use the option annotate as a pen because this cannot be erased with any draw mode eraser. It could only be erased with an annotate eraser. Then press this arrow pointing down. We could see 4 options. Press annotate eraser. This is the only eraser that can erase a pen. When we go in draw mode, the normal eraser could erase this stroke but not the pen. That's it, friends. Today we have seen different options that we can use in edit mode. Please try this out. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel if my channel is cool. Bye.